cube root of the number 941192, 941192, and we draw the line like this. So 192, as it ends in 2, so its cube root ends in 8. That's going to be 8 here. And the next one is 941. So that lie between 729 and 1000. So the next digit is going to be 9. So the answer is 98. So cube root of 941192 is 98. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you love insanely fast math tricks, you are in the right place. Today, I'm revealing a superpower that will let you find cube roots in just seconds. No calculator needed. By the end of this video, you'll be solving cube roots faster than most people can even type them in. And trust me, 99% of people have never seen this trick before. Get ready to shock your friends, impress your teachers, and become a math wizard. Let's dive right in. Say we are finding cube root of the number 9261. Let's see how we find cube root of this number 9261. To find cube root of this number, we use the table on the right. So this table helps us in solving cube roots. So you can see that here this chart will help us. As you see that 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, and so on. 10 cube is 1000. So we need this table. So this will help us to solve this. If you can memorize this table, you can solve this in just seconds. Now let's see how we do that. So we are finding cube root of the number 9261. So to find cube root of this number, you first write the number. So 9261, and then we separate the right side 3 digits from the left. So we draw a vertical line separating right side 3 from the left of the digits. And now, as you can see that this cube ends in 1. So if the cube ends in 1, its cube root also ends in 1. So the first digit in the answer is going to be 1. So the cube root of this number ends in 1. So that should be 1 here. Now the next digit, to find next digit, we look at this number. You can see that this is 9. So let's see, 9 lie between which cubes? So 9 lie between, you can see that 9 lie between 8 and 27. Right? So 9 lies between 8 and 27. But here we choose the smaller number, which is 8. So cube root of that is 2. So the next digit going to be here 2, which means the cube root of the number 9261 is 21. So it's pretty simple. Alright. Now let's take another question and find cube root of that as well using the same table here. Now let's take another number. Say we are finding cube root of the number 32768. So it's a 5-digit number. Let's see what is the cube root of this number. Again, to find the cube root, we take the number 32768, and then you draw a line separating the right side 3 digits from the left. Now the first step going to be look at this digit. So this number, this cube number ends in 8. If the cube ends in 8, you see that its cube root ends in 2. So the first digit in our answer going to be 2. To find the next digit, we look at this number. This number is 32. So let's see, 32 lie between which numbers? So you can see that 32 lie between 27 and 64, right? So 32 lie between 27 and 64. So then we take the smaller digit, smaller number here, which is 3. So what is the answer? That's going to be 32. So cube root of the number 32768 is 32. It's pretty simple. Let's do the next question. Say we are finding cube root of another number. Say we are finding cube root of the number 4, 7, 4, 5, 5, 2. Let's see what is the cube root of this number. Again, to find the cube root, we write the number 4, 7, 4, 5, 5, 2, and then you always separate the right side 3 digits from the rest. Now, you can see that this number ends in 2. So if the cube ends in 2, you can see here, if the cube ends in 2, its cube root ends in 8. So the first digit in our answer is going to be 8. To find the next digit, we look at this number, 474. Let's see, 474 lies between which numbers? So you can see that 474 lie between 343 and 512. Right? So 474 lie between 343 and 512. We take the smaller one, that's going to be 7. So what is the answer? It's going to be 78. So square root, it's a cube root. Cube root of 474, 552 going to be 78. That's the answer. Say we are finding cube root of the number 941192. Let's see what is the cube root of this number. To find the cube root of this number, we write the number again. So 941192. As you can see that this is a 6-digit number. Again, we separate right side 3 digits from the left. Now, you can see that this number ends in 2. So if the cube ends in 2, you can see that if the cube ends in 2, the cube root ends in 8. So the first digit of the answer is going to be 8 here. To find the next digit, we look at this number, which is 941. As you can see that 941 lie between 729 and then 1000. Right? So 941 lie between 729 and 1000. We choose the smaller number, which is 729. Its cube root is 9. So 9 goes here. So what is the cube root of the number 941192? That's going to be 98. Alright. Let's look at the next question. Say we are finding cube root of another number. Let's take cube root of number 238 and then 328. So this is also a 6-digit number. Let's see what is the cube root of this number. Again, to find the cube root, take the number 238, 328 and then separate the right side 3 digits from the left. And now you can see that this number ends in 8. So if the cube ends in 8, you see its cube root ends in 2. So the first digit of the answer is going to be 2 here. To find the next digit, we look at this number here. That's 238. You see that 238 lie between 216 and then 343. Alright? So this 238 lie between 216, 343. We choose the smaller one, which is going to be here 6. So what is the answer? It's going to be 62. So cube root of the number 238, 328 is 62. Thanks for watching. I hope this trick makes finding cube roots super easy for you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing math hacks. Also, don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below.